Okay, so today we're going to be covering the first 5 basic tricks. All of these tricks start from the standard grip, which is where you have one hand on the top, one hand on the bottom. One hand on the top, one hand on the bottom. The first trick we'll be covering today is the tornado. The tornado is relatively simple. All you have to do is turn the sign one way and your body the other, keeping the sign in front of you. When you do that, that means you should have the sign turning left if you're turning clockwise, or the sign turning right if you're turning counterclockwise. It looks like this. From the side, it looks like this. The next trick is the figure 8. The figure 8 is also relatively easy to do, but it is useful in learning a lot of other tricks later on. With this trick, the first thing you want to remember is when you're doing it, your arms should cross like this as you turn. So, it goes like this. You can also do it the other way. That is the figure 8. The next trick is the basic spin. With the basic spin, you should always be turning this side or this side towards the center, depending on which hand is there. If you're on the right, it should turn this way. If you're on the left, it should turn this way. So, you simply take it, grab it with this hand, turn this one back around, and like so. When you get faster, you start doing stuff more like this, but it's always that same motion. With the other hand, you would simply go like this. From the side, it looks like this. The next trick that we're going to cover is the basic flip. The basic flip is also relatively easy to toss, however, it is a little bit harder to catch when you're first learning. So, ignoring the top hand is simply here to show the exact motion and allow stability while I show it. The bottom hand will pull up and back and release. The top hand will be used to catch the top when it gets there. So, it looks like this. From the side, there's also a variant of that trick, which is a full rotation flip. It goes like this. And the last trick for this video is a combination of 2 separate motions. It takes that spin that we learned and a tuck. So, when you do it, you do the same motion you do for the spin, but instead of grabbing with the hand, you tuck with your elbow. You then take the other hand, bring it to the bottom, do the same spin, tuck with your elbow. Like so. From the side. And those are the 5 tricks.